So today I'll be revealing what is by far the best way for beginners to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, utilizing the power of artificial intelligence, more specifically ChatGPT. You see, prior to 2020, before the launch of OpenAI, you had to come up with all of the ideas yourself, post all the pins manually, and do all of the marketing. But now with just a click of a few buttons, you can automate this entire process.
This is awesome, guys. And before we start, we analyze the whole video using AI, and we know exactly what are the steps, the good sides and the bad sides of this business model. If you look at Pinterest, they have tons of traffic, and it's basically one of the best places where you can advertise your business with just an image, and the best part, without showing face. Now, it's weird for me to say that you can run your business advertise without showing face as I show my face on the videos every single day. Well, it's kind of weird for a person like me who shows his face every day in the videos, but let's face it, it is what it is. You can just post an image, connect your website link with the image, and the users on Pinterest are trained to find this link. They will click, visit your website, buy from you, and you make money. Well, yes, that's the only way to make money online, selling something. We'll get there later, maybe in another video. For now, let's focus on the 6-step method that Wisdom Speaks has shared in his video. This first step P is where we start to prepare to make money. Without this, you are not going to make any money. And step F is where you will make money. But unfortunately, the content of this video might limit your results by not sharing the proven and scientific way to guarantee success from Pinterest. Don't worry, I got you covered. If you're watching this video from YouTube, then in the description there is a link where you will find a 48-page step-by-step book for Pinterest success. It's a scientific way, a no-guess method. Yeah, the link is in the description. Let's move on to step B.
So for step number 1, we're going to kick off this tutorial by picking our affiliate product to promote. And in order to do this, we need to find an affiliate network that works in our country.
That's an excellent advice. A lot of us sign up to affiliate networks that don't operate in our countries. And a lot of affiliate networks only pay through PayPal, and maybe your country doesn't allow PayPal. So when you sign up to an affiliate network, make sure you clearly know about this.
The ones that I showed you the income proof from earlier was Warrior Plus and Digistore24, but if none of these work in your country, you have other options out there like Impact.
Wait, I have been working with Warrior Plus for over a decade. Warrior Plus, JVZoo, these platforms allow you to use their wallet system to earn commissions to your wallet and then transfer the funds to any bank account in any country. So they almost work in any country.
Partner Stack, ClickBank, ShareASale, CJ Affiliates, and many, many more.
A lot of these platforms don't work in all the countries. So yeah, make sure you know what you're doing before you start.
So at this point, just choose any of them that is applicable for you and that works in your country. For today's tutorial, I'm actually going to be using Impact, as this is the only affiliate network that I know for sure works in every single country.
Oh, that sounds good. And it was new to me as well. Thanks, brother.
So if you're not signed up, you can just go over to impact.com, or you can click the first link in my description.
All right, guys, for this tutorial, we don't really need to go to Impact. We want to go to the money part fast without crossing tons of hoops. So after picking your chosen affiliate network, it's time to do a little boring work. But warning, without this boring work, no one ever makes money. This boring part is called research. The research that Wisdom Speaks showed in his video is universal and can be used for any niche, anytime, any industry, and for any product. We will go check that out, but after that, I will show you a super quick shortcut that you will never have to waste your time on researching. Let's go. On the second thought, why not I show you my method first? Let's say you started your journey with Warrior Plus Network, my most favorite one. I have over 50 offers that generated tons and tons of money for my affiliates. You see, this is one of my Warrior Plus accounts. This is a live account, and these are the stats of my affiliates. Over 2,000 affiliates earned over $2.6 million promoting my product. Some of them made multiple 6 figures. Look at this. And this one, $124,000. So there are lots of opportunities in this network, and I'm going to share everything with you, and I'm going to share a major mistake you will make if you avoid a specific type of traffic that I'm about to share with you. So stay tuned. After you create a free account on Warrior Plus, you can use the same account as a product creator or product vendor or an affiliate. Let's Let's consider you want to use it as an affiliate. So go to affiliate and click offers. Scroll down and you will see hundreds of offers. Now pay attention, this is very important. With just this part, you can completely skip the boring research and stick to just what I'm showing. When you see an offer, first off, you should click on that offer and check what the offer is. Let's say this is one of my products that I partnered with Uddhav Pramanik. Uddhav is one of the top vendors on Warrior Plus right now. And together we built this amazing AI platform that gives you accesses to all the world's leading and most advanced premium AIs. So you do not have to pay hefty monthly fees for all these ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, DALL-E, Leonardo, Copilot Pro separately. For just a one-time price, you can get access to all those AI platforms at basically our cost. And in fact, this price is less than a Big Mac combo meal. Okay, back to boring research. I'm making it super short and interesting. The first thing you should see is conversion rate. Now here is a trick. If you see conversion rate is more than 30%, then you know that it is manipulated. It's not right. Usually, it's almost impossible to get conversion rate over 30%. Even chances are this 21% and this 30% are all manipulated. So the best way to find which offer you should promote is, of course, first to check what the offer is. And then you should look for visitor value. Visitor value shows on the average for every visitor you are sending to the affiliate offer, how much revenue is generated. It's an average. Take note, affiliate commissions come from sales, not just for clicks or visitors. So you send visitors, they will buy, and only then you will earn affiliate commission. But these average shows that if you send one visitor, you will make $4.51. However, it may not happen. Maybe it will take 100 visitors to make you money. And when you send 100 visitors, the total number of sales generated from those 100 visitors, you will make $451 in revenue. This is how we use this average visitor value. And these numbers are real numbers. They cannot be manipulated. So use visitor value as the milestone to choose which offer to promote. By the way, if you are interested to get access to this all-in-one AI platform, then I will leave the link in the description on my YouTube video, maybe in the first comment and maybe in the bio in other platforms. Before we move forward, here is something interesting, but I don't want to add this here because it will confuse you with a lot of information. You probably noticed that the average sale on these offers is something like $31, $30, $38, $25. So your commission will be half of that from every sale on the average. So if you send 100 sales, you will make $3,100 approximately in sales revenue. So your commission will be $1,500 from 100 sales. But these students of our program earned $500 to $1,000 commission from one sale. That's called high ticket affiliate marketing. And I recommend high ticket affiliate marketing should be done together with regular affiliate marketing. And this is exactly what we are covering in this video. So keep watching because I will also tell you where you can find a training that will show you a combination of earning regular affiliate commission, earning revenue from selling your own offers, and earning subscription revenue, which is similar to monthly salary. People use your software products or your membership and pay monthly or annual recurring fees. This is where we earned $334,535. If you're very curious to get the free training, complete step by step, find it in the description below. Now let's go check out what Wisdom Speaks has to say. After you chose your product, you need to
see what is actually trending on the Pinterest platforms.
Because remember, we are going to use Pinterest for traffic. But I also promised that I will show you a traffic that we use to get high ticket sales like these students.
So if you type in trends.pinterest.com, it's going to take you over to this page and it's going to show you the statistics for what is actually trending on Pinterest so you can make the right decision.
Yes, he is right. Right now, I'm on trends.pinterest.com and you can see the changes in trends and interest. So based on this, you can decide what you want to do. When you see the trend curve is high, that means people like that topic right now. For this particular case, fall outfits trend started to grow from August last year 2023, and it was at the peak on October 13. And after that, trend is going down because it's fall outfits, and the trend is rising again from the end of July, and now we are almost at the end of August. This should be at the peak in next 2 months. This way you can read a trend and prepare early on. You can also see the demographics. It looks like 90% of them are female, and yes, female are outfit buyers, and only 34% are 25 to 34 years old, and only 12% are 35 to 44 years old, who are usually known as the best buyer. Now, when I use the keyword AI to search for the trends about AI, because I want to promote an AI top selling, top converting offer that will sell a lot and make me a lot of money. But unfortunately, I did not find any AI related topic or software or book that is trending. How unfortunate. Does it not mean that I cannot actually promote these type of offers on Pinterest and actually get some buyer traffic who will buy and then I will make money? Well, if it is not trending, that means people are not looking for those softwares or offers on Pinterest. So the answer is no, I can't. If I want to promote something and make money from sales, I need to give them what they are looking for. And yes, you may find niches that might pay you good commission, but usually local businesses, apparels, e-commerce related physical goods usually don't pay a lot of commission. Amazon pays only 2% to 20% commission, while these guys on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank will pay you 50% to even 75% commission. Now, the next step is optimize your content using AI. We use AI for everything, including analyzing other people's videos, finding the best business models, even creating content. Here in this video, Wisdom Speaks taught you how to use ChatGPT to research on the content and create content for your blog post. So basically, you will need a hosting server, a blog builder software, and if you use WordPress, you will need tons of plugins. If you use other platforms, then you need to pay a lot of money. It's a lot of work and a lot of effort and not earn a lot of commissions. So the whole system is kind of no. I won't say it's bad, but I would say it's slow. Don't worry, I have a solution. We have been using this solution together with over 2,000 affiliates who made $2.6 million in affiliate commissions just promoting my offers. It's coming, so stay tuned. So in our case, instead of using AI to create blog posts, we use AI to learn valuable skills fast. Then we use these skills and the knowledge that we earned and make simple and short videos. We publish these videos on social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube as short form videos. Then we use an AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel sells low price, recurring subscription, and high ticket sales for us completely automatically. We do not do the selling. We are not even salesmen. Without picking up the phone, simply by using this AI-powered automated funnel. Yeah, there is a full training about it, how we do it step by step. The link is in the description. Go watch the full training. You can connect with me on Instagram and ask those questions in the DMs. The next step is integrating smart affiliate links in your content, but in our case, it's integrated in the AI-powered automated funnel. So we don't have to manually take care of that. It saves a lot of time. And the last step is to track and post consistently. Consistency is the keyword here. By the way, these are all covered in the full training. Link is in the description. Go check the training. That full training is completely free, and you will learn everything about how we earn 3 types of income: one-time sales revenue, affiliate commissions, and recurring subscriptions. I want to thank Wisdom Speaks for this video. It was amazing and mind-blowing, jam-packed with information. But I think there are more opportunities, which is foolproof, proven, evergreen, work for thousands of people, including beginners, and takes only half an hour to 2 hours per day, without the hassle of low commissions, continuously deal with blog posts, embedding affiliate links in blog posts, which won't really get you the freedom you are looking for. So in my opinion, you should really check out the full training that you'll find in the link in the description below. Go watch it, and if you have questions, reach out to me on Instagram and we will help you out. And if you want to learn how to earn $15 per app download, watch this video. And if you want to watch AI Millionaire course review, where a millionaire cloned himself using AI and made millions, then watch this video.